One of the most indispensable tools in any workshop is the circular saw. Known for its versatility and power, a circular saw can make quick, precise cuts through a variety of materials, from wood to metal and everything in between. With so many options on the market, choosing the best circular saw can be a daunting task. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at some of the top circular saws available today, helping you find the perfect tool to meet your specific needs. Whether you are working on a home renovation, a construction project, or simply refining your craft. So let's get started. Number 1. SKIL 15 Ampere Circular Saw. The SKIL 15 Ampere Circular Saw is a robust and reliable tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its powerful motor and versatile features, it ensures precise and efficient cutting performance. This saw combines speed, accuracy, and safety for a superior cutting experience. Key features: delivers 5,300 RPM for faster cuts, included with spindle lock for easy blade changes, positive stop at 45 degrees for diverse cutting options, keeps line of cut free of sawdust for improved visibility, minimizes accidental starts with a power on indicator. Number 2. DEWALT DCS391B Circular Saw. The DEWALT DCS391B Circular Saw is a high-performance tool built to handle the most demanding cuts with ease. Its powerful motor and durable design make it an excellent choice for professionals seeking reliability and precision. This saw offers exceptional control and versatility for a wide range of applications. Key features: delivers power and speed for demanding cuts, lightweight yet durable for long-term cut accuracy, provides optimal balance and control, allows for aggressive bevel cuts, cuts 2x material at 90 degree and 45 degree with more cuts per charge. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CMCS500B Circular Saw. The CRAFTSMAN CMCS500B is a versatile and efficient tool, perfect for a variety of cutting tasks. As part of the V20 cordless system, it offers the convenience of mobility without compromising on power. Its lightweight and durable design ensures comfort and precision during use. Key features: suitable for cross-cutting or ripping 2x material, runs at 4,200 RPM for fast, aggressive cutting, pivots up to 50 degrees for angled cuts, reduces fatigue with a contoured overmolded handle for added comfort, ensures long-term reliability. Number 4. Milwaukee 273220 Circular Saw. The Milwaukee 273220 Circular Saw is a durable and high-performance tool designed for both professional and DIY use. Its magnesium construction ensures longevity, while the integrated features provide convenience and accuracy. This saw is built to handle tough cutting tasks with ease and precision. Key features: ensure maximum durability, allows for easy storage between cuts, enhances accuracy and visibility, includes a vac adapter for cleaner workspaces, stop the blade quickly after the trigger is released. Number 5. Makita 5007F Circular Saw. The Makita 5007F Circular Saw is a powerful and reliable tool. With its powerful motor and enhanced features, it ensures superior performance and durability on the job site. This saw combines precision, convenience, and handling for optimal cutting results. Key features: delivers 5,800 RPM for proven performance, improves performance for bevel and narrow cuts, illuminate the line of cut for an increased accuracy, ensures superior handling and performance, enables use with alternative power sources. Number 6. BOSCH CC-S180B Circular Saw. The BOSCH CC-S180B Circular Saw is a lightweight and versatile tool designed for precision and ease of use. With its ergonomic design and advanced features, it ensures comfortable and accurate cutting performance. This circular saw is perfect for both professional and DIY projects, offering reliability and convenience. Key features: angled for ease in pushing the saw forward, cuts through 2 inches at 90 degrees, provides the best view of the cut line for right-handed users, keeps the cut line visible and free of dust. Weighs only 6.6 pounds. Thanks for watching. After reviewing the top circular saws on the market, it's clear that each model has its unique features, catering to different needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video.